everyone, this is Jane. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do some early Christmas shopping with my sister-in-law today. And I'm in the mood of wearing a smoky eye look. I want the look to be a little bit more intense, but still natural. If you're interested in how to achieve this look, please keep watching. First thing first, I need some coffee. And can't live without my best friend, concealer, just to cover my dark circles and brighten the central area of my face a little bit. Since I'm going to do a smoky eye look today, I'm going to use some smudge-proof eyeshadow primer. This is a transparent one. If you're concerned about the veins on your eyelid, you can choose the one with color to even the skin tone a little bit more. For my eyebrows, I'd like to keep the natural shape. When my eyeshadow is going to be strong, I'd like to keep my eyebrows as natural as possible. To me, it's important to keep that balance. So even though I'm wearing a smoky eye look, I don't look like I'm wearing too much makeup. And this is the palette I'm going to use today. It is a relatively neutral, earthy toned palette. First of all, I'm going to use the lightest shade to create a soft canvas on my eyelid. And then apply this brown shade to define the shape of my eye and make it less puffy. Start it to blend from the outer corner of my eye and gradually drag it to the inner corner. And then dip into this smoky shade. And start to blend it from the outer corner of my eye and blend it into my crease as well. The formula of this eyeshadow is just incredible. No matter it's matte or shimmer, it's so easy to blend and so smooth. As you blend, they will melt into your skin seamlessly. Get some of this light shade again to clear the edges and highlight my brow bone. And then get some of this gold shimmer shade. Tap it at the center of my eyelid and drag some into the inner corner of my eye too. Get the same shade and dab it along my lower lash line, just to create some natural shade under my eyelashes. And I'm going to draw a slightly winged eyeliner. I don't want a harsh line between my eyeliner and my eyeshadow, so I will use the smoky shade to smoke my eyeliner a little bit to make my eye look more seamless. Apparently, this velvet powder puff has gone viral on TikTok, and my sister-in-law kindly got it for me. I really like the pointy edge for accurate application. It feels so soft and very satisfying to use. I'm actually going to use a bronzer as my blush today. When I used this shade as a bronzer, the color always looked a bit reddish on my skin tone. However, it worked perfectly for me as an earthy toned blush. Really, there's no rules in doing makeup. To pair my neutral smoky eye look, I chose this muted brownish lipstick. It's from Eldridge. It is currently my favorite matte lipstick. The shade is called Velvet Affair. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed my first Get Ready With Me. I'm so excited about December because it's Christmas season. I'm going to do a feel of my favorite Christmas look. It's time for me to go out now. Don't forget to subscribe!